In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play +1 speed, keyboard escape, candy, and chocolate Roblox. This is going to be the ultimate guide. We're going over everything you need to know. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, when you join the game, you just need to start by walking across the keyboard path or hopping on the treadmill over here and start increasing your speed overall. You're going to see it count up by 1 at first. It'll increase more over time as you get more wins. In order to get those wins, you need to progress through the stages. You'll see you progress through the first stage, and then there's going to be this little +1 win over here. You simply go ahead and collect that. Like this one is +3 wins. Boom. As you can see, it actually increases my wins. As you run into those, you're going to notice that it's going to increase how many steps you get as well. So for example, I have a 2x multiplier on right now through rebirths, but then of course, as I get more wins, it increases my base step. You're going to want to keep doing that because that essentially means you're going to get your speed up a lot faster. Whenever you have the ability to rebirth as well, you want to make sure that you are doing that as well. Just keep walking, don't stop, because falling means that you have to restart the stage, and of course, stopping means you're not going to collect as much speed. And that really is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.